A pleasant day. I am Dali Garcia Wayan. I am 46 years old, married. I have three children, aged 26, 20, and 10. I am honest, trustworthy, humble, and kind. I am ex-abroad. I went in Jordan in 2018 until 2021. There are five in the family, a couple, a fraternal twin, and a 5 years old baby girl who I make tutorial in basic English. I do also a household course such as cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes. I didn't make cooking, but I am willing to learn. I've been through also in Kuwait in year 2021 until January 2024. They are four in the family, a couple, a 2 years old baby girl, and a newborn. The newborn, she is 1 month when I am started carry on it. I am only doing a babysitter in Kuwait until I finish my contract. That's all. Thank you.